Mercari app not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways you can fix your Mercari app not working in your mobile device. First and foremost, make sure that your application is updated. Head over to your Play Store and search for Mercari app. If it shows update, tap onto update and update your app. Once you do so, head over to your settings. Here scroll below until you find apps. Tap onto apps and here again search for Mercari. For instance, if this is your Mercari app, scroll below, tap onto storage and clear the data. Make sure that you remember your credentials and tap on delete. Now see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working for you, then uninstall that application from your mobile device, reinstall it again, get logged into your account, and that will definitely fix your app not working problem in your mobile device. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will catch you up soon.